The main focus for the area right now is still removing these debris piles that's found throughout the roadways, and some people over the weekend have even begun demoing their properties. And as this rebuild sort of starts, those who live in the area are stressing the importance of having a storm shelter here in Central Texas. It's an investment that helped protect this tornado survivor's life.
We were lucky to be in the shelter. Very much recommend one.
When the devastating EF3 tornado struck southern Bell County, Toby Hatton gathered his family and neighbors and made for the storm shelter in his backyard.
We could tell that it was close by. It got really quiet. Hail stopped. Just hear big debris falling.
After seeing the aftermath nearby, Hatton says he's grateful he bought this shelter 2 years ago. He's already had to use it twice this year.
Anywhere in Texas, you should consider getting a storm shelter. But we seem to be a magnet for tornadoes in this part of south central Texas, heart of Texas area.
We want to give you an idea of what it's like inside a storm shelter. Now take this one for example. There's one thing that really sticks out, and it's the size. It's not meant to be a luxury hangout spot. It's supposed to save lives. And in this particular shelter, they can fit about 7 people standing. Hatton gave us a tour of his setup inside.
What I have in here is your standard weather alert radio. It's battery operated, but it's also powered. I have a backup hall light, which is like just your standard go to the bathroom in the middle of the night light. But if the power goes out and it gets dark in here, the light will come on.
The dimensions are 6 feet by 8 feet, but you can get them in bigger sizes.
It's not meant to be comfortable for long term. It's really meant for you to get in, seek shelter for while the storm is coming over, and then come out afterwards.
After dealing with 2 tornadoes in the area this spring, he says the $3,600 price tag was worth every penny.
It's expensive depending upon what you can afford, but much better to be in one than in the house.
FEMA provides a lot of resources for homeowners who are interested in installing storm shelters on their property. We'll have all that information on our website. Just look for this news story. In southern Bell County, Steven Sarabia, Fox 7 Austin News.